Either ways your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the ring and filter on your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner. This maintenance task is essential for keeping your vacuum running efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the tools you will need. A Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement filter and ring ready as well. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV17 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find it challenging to reach the screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any stubborn sections. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the filter and the ring that need replacing. Take a moment to inspect the old filter for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If it appears clogged, it's definitely time for a change. To remove the old filter, simply pull it out from its compartment. Be cautious, as some dust may escape during this process. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, let's clean the internal compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your new filter will function optimally. Next, take your new filter and insert it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. After that, it's time to replace the ring. Align the new ring with the designated area and press it into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it's securely fitted. Once both the filter and ring are replaced, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the base back onto the vacuum and align it with the screw holes. Insert the screws back in using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. After reassembling, give your Dyson SV17 a quick test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help. Finally, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect if you need further assistance. With your new filter and ring in place, your Dyson SV17 should be back to its best, ready to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.